What's going on, YouTube? Check lens here, make sure we're recording. Yep, we're recording. Good deal. Alright. New camera test number 1. Got the new beanie hat today. Got the new remote control, the new camera. Start the day off with some chatterbaiting. A little bit of wind. Not much wind, but we got a little bit. Not sure how long we're going to be here today. Hope we can get a couple fish catches on camera. Hopefully the new microphone cable is connecting good. This is the first test, so we'll have to see how it goes here. Been some pretty crappy weather the past couple of days, but it's beautiful today. Somewhere in the 50s, water temp's probably in the upper 40s, low 50s. Should be pretty epic. Of course, got the Mountain Dew and the smokes. Speaking of smokes, I do believe it's that time. There we go. Looks like I'm in the frame pretty good over there. Got the viewfinder on the camera so I know what y'all are seeing. I'm going to try the chatterbait for a little bit, and then we'll see how that goes. I do have a new load of spinner baits I got in the mail, so we shall see. Hopefully we can get a fish for y'all today. That'd be dope. But we're doing fishing streams quite a bit on the PlayStation. Those will be streamed to the channel here. So if you like fishing videos, I got a really good fishing game on the PlayStation. Catch a lot of fish on it, a lot of big fish on it. I don't have to worry about the camera batteries. I got a power pack plugged into it. I think my trailer's taut. Yep, trailer's caught up in my hook. Knew that felt kind of weird. It's always a problem. Give this a few more casts. Hope everybody's having a good Thursday. Yeah, I think it's, the trash rain this morning, so it's Thursday. Good deal. For those that don't know, I'm medically retired from the Navy, so I really don't know what day it is half the time. Either got to sit on a bucket or sit on a chair in a boat, or I got to sit somewhere. And this trailer just keeps tangling up. Yeah, we got the Z-Man blue and black chatterbait. And let's see if y'all can see that right there. Y'all see that? Pretty. You can tell the lake's coming up too, because a lot of these trees that's been out of the water are back in the water now. I don't know, we'll go for 20 or 30 minutes. See how it looks. I got a little Exo swim bait over here, and I got a little shallow running jerk bait over here. Probably try those out. We don't get something pretty soon, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. It's only about 15-20 feet out in the middle here, so it's not very deep. Yep, there's something flipping out there. Let's give this jerkbait a few pops, see what it does. I got it on the Abu Garcia with a Shakespeare rod. That's the Yo-Zuri. I call it the baby striper. I don't know what the name of it is, actual name of it. I wrapped around a tip or something there. It's not wanting to fall. There it goes. A little more juice on it. There we go. It actually got thrown behind me. I didn't want to throw it at that angle, but it just kind of happened that way. Crank it and pop it. It's a nice little crankbait. I like it. This is some dirty water too. I got about 1.5 foot of visibility. Give it a prolonged sit there. It does have a little bit of a rattle to it as well. If you can hear that. Not even sure where that one landed. Oh, it landed back there towards the bank. Okay, good. Man, this Black Max will sling anything. Let's let it chill out for a second there. Nice little action on that. This new beanie's comfortable. Covers the ears. Don't even feel the wind on it. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, a little bit of squirrely on that one. That's alright. Alright. That was nice. Do 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 do. Junk fishing at its finest. Absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna put this one up. Put me a spinnerbait on this one. Let me grab my spinnerbait box. Make sure that's closed so I don't dump my Powers pack in the water. There we go. Spinnerbaits are right here. And cranks are right here. Get my pliers. Let me go with that one right. Let's go with this one right here. That's a good looking bait right there. Alright, let's chop this dude off of here. There we go. Ow. Damn Yozeria, boy, they put some stinky hooks on there. There we go. A nice little click there so you know it's closed. I know y'all can't see this knot right here, but I'm doing a Berkley knot. I like me a Berkley knot. It's easy to tie. It doesn't come uncinched. Go around 7 times with it. Just like so. Go back through my loops. Just like so. And my tag end is pretty well short, but I'm going to clip it just a hair. Just to account for any slippage that might happen. I'm going to run it without a trailer. The Double Willow 3/8 ounce. Double check my fall rate. Oh, that's way too fast. Jesus Christ. A hair more than that. There we go. That'll work. Nice windy day. We should get a couple knocks on this thing, hopefully. At least one would be cool. Yeah, I think it's got a nice wobble to it too. Give it a nice medium retrieve. Come on, fishes. I'd bite it if I was a bass. If I was a bass, I would kill this thing. I was going to go to my other spot over there by the bridge that I go to quite often, but I decided to come down here instead. It's a little more protected from the wind. You can't hardly see the wind right here on the water, but there's a good little breeze blowing. If I wasn't protected by all these trees around, it would be kind of crazy. Check my drag. Oh, need to loosen it up a little bit. There we go. Let her drop. Get me a swig of dew real quick. That's delicious. Delicious. Can't go fishing without smoke some Mountain Dews. I don't give a damn. I could forget my tackle box at home and have those 2 items, I'd be good to go. As long as I have my rods, of course. Good shape, my friends. Does not appear to be a productive day. We did have a little small front roll through yesterday. If you know anything about winter cold front fishing, you know the day before and during are your best options. But the day after, not so much. Makes for a long day. If I had a boat, it would be a little different scenario because I could go find them. But fishing off the bank, or fishing off the dock in this instance, not so much. I do got a couple lipless crankbaits I could throw. But there's really not any ledges or anything here. Not much for rocks. Uh-oh. I think a brim just knocked it. Something knocked it. So let's get it back out there and give him another chance at it. It's got a pretty small hook on it. I think it's got a 3/0 hook on it. Maybe a 4/0, but it's a pretty small hook. It's pretty standard. Not too crazy. Glad that the wind's up though. And test out my lapel mic here pretty good today. This Black Max loves a spinnerbait, man. Love it. Turn my back to you so I got a better angle on this crank. Oh shit. We slung the hell out of that one. Jesus. Wow. Yeah. There goes that spinnerbait. Oh well. Not much I can do about that. It's a pretty whippy tip too. I'm surprised that. Yeah. It's part of it. If you throw stuff, you're gonna lose stuff, so. That sucks. Brand new line on that end too, so it's not a line issue. Thread it back on there and see what we want to throw next. Yeah, that was kind of stupid. A little bit too much whip there. I really want to throw. Let's do a Texas rig on a crawl. I don't have a Texas rig. See if we can do a bottom drag deal. Oh, let's see here. Where's my crawl box at? it is. And my worm box right there. Alrighty then. I really need some bullet weights. I don't have a whole lot of bullet weights left. Let me get my line right there. Alright, so we're going to put a 1/4 ounce bullet weight. Oh, drop goes the weasel there. We'll do a Palomar knot on this. Get you through the hole right there. There we go. Make sure it's not crossed over. Ow. Damn, it's a sticky ass hook. Sticky, sticky. There we go. That's the angle I need right there. Give me a little bit bigger hook right there. There we go. Let me bring my bunny ear back through there. Bring it around the hook. Always wet your fluorocarbon. Beautiful. Clip off the tag. Actually, that's not cinched up very well. Hang on a second here. Yeah, there we go. Alright, now we clip off our tag in. Like so. I have no idea how long this video is, but don't really care. I like long videos. Let's see if we can find a big craw here. I really don't have any big craws though, that's the problem. Definitely need to order some big craws. Yeah, we'll use this one. Actually, let's use the watermelon. Uh-oh, fishy. Hopefully you all know how to do a Texas rig, so I'm not going to show this on camera, but I'll split the appendages right there. Go in about 1/8 of an inch to match the head on this. Like so. Spin it around like so. And then grab the body and feed her through like that right there. And then we'll pinch it into the skin like that. And we have a really good Texas rig. Solid, weedless. Beautiful. Give you a close-up of that bait right there. There you go. Nice and straight. Let's test our drop. Speed it up just a hair. Just a hair more. There we go. Perfect. And the wind just picked up pretty good, so we're just going to drag this bait back to us very slowly. Well, not very slowly, but fairly slow. That bait's got some really nice swimming tails on it. It's a pretty lightweight. It's not really a casting deal. This is more of a flipping deal here. Flip, pitch, something like that. Excuse me. I launched the hell out of that spinnerbait. Oh man, that thing got some frequent flyer miles. It said bye-bye. That was hilarious. That's why I buy cheap shit. I don't buy $12, $15 spinner baits and stuff. Got a pretty stiff little wind blowing here. Let's see if I can get me a smoke lip. Looking forward to watching this playback so I can see what this wind noise sounds like. I haven't really fished this microphone setup I got in the wind yet. I do have my camera plugged in, so I don't have to worry about my battery running down. I think everybody should get this mic though. Anybody that records videos anyway. It is a doozy. It's got a pile of range to it. You can find links to everything in the description there if you're interested in upping your game a little bit. Looking forward to checking out the video quality on this new camera. It's the first time using it. Sorry, that one kind of went a little more angled back than I expected, so I got to turn my back to you for a minute. To be staring at my butt. It's not really appropriate. Some pretty decent laydowns in this cove. All right, that's the last cast over there. I'm gonna go back out deep here. The bank's all mushy from the rain we've had. I'd go work these trees pretty heavily, but I don't really feel like tracking clay all in my granddaddy's truck and in my house, and nah, that ain't good. I would like to get one fish though. Just one day to be the one. Don't look like that's gonna happen though. We will be streaming later, so if y'all want to jump in and do some chatting, be more than happy to have you. I did get a shipping notification. I got 2 customized channel hoodies coming. They're pretty sexy. Got the shipping notification for those Tuesday, I think. Alright. Let's throw this a couple more times. Then I'll test out my remote control to my camera. I think somebody ran over a deer or something. There's a bunch of buzzards floating around the sky over there. Here, fishy, fishy, fishies. It works on the PlayStation. Shut up. I think I did a good job purchasing this beanie though. It's a jersey fit. It's real tight and snug. Keeps the wind out of your ears. Really crisp lettering. It's pretty amazing. I like it. Not sure how long this video is at the moment. Doesn't really matter. I like longer videos anyway. In case you're wondering, when I go to watch a YouTube video, I do quite a bit of searching to find the one I want to watch. And usually, unless it's somebody's channel I really like watching, usually it's 10 minutes or more, or I won't even watch it. I got a lot of people I watch regular, a lot of regular watch time. So if it's somebody I like and they got a good subject matter, I watch theirs just because I like supporting the people I like supporting, you know. Yeah, this chatterbait is dancing. I love it. The wind's actually helping the cast out quite a bit too. It's a tip for you new folks. If it's windy, throw with the wind if you're using a bait caster. Unless you like picking out backlash, throw into the wind if you want to, but definitely if you're in a boat and have control over which way you cast, definitely throw your lure downwind. It will save you a lot of cuss words. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, I got a surprise coming for you guys. Pretty decent little giveaway. Think you're gonna like it. So if you haven't already, go down here, smash them buttons. Hit the little flamey logo down there in the bottom right. Doesn't appear that we're going to catch a fish today, guys. Oh shit, my cigarettes just blew away. Hang on. Did they get wet? Let's see. Yep, they got wet. Son of a bitch. Oh, that sucks. But I was able to save them. I'll save the pack from going into the lake anyway. I wasn't able to save my smokes. Tripod's got a lot of weight to it. That was a nice gust. I figured it would blow the tripod over a little bit, but it didn't. But since it's gusting like that, we're going to put this behind my tackle bag. Hang on a second. Where are we at video-wise here? I can't read the screen. I don't know. But it's all good. We'll go ahead and turn this off. The wind's getting kind of crazy, so I think I'm gonna head to the house. Do a couple more casts. I had it set up for 10-minute loops. Pretty sure I turned that off though, so hopefully we got some footage. But we'll see when we get to the house. What the hell? That button doesn't feel right. Did learn something today. Keep your cigarettes in your pocket. The claw just will not stay unfouled. Alright. I'm going to cut this off and check my video and make sure I'm getting stuff recorded. Hopefully we got enough recorded I can upload this for you. But we shall see. Talk to you later.